Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel World Fashion and Decoration Tour. Today in this video, I present to you some fantastic country farmhouse home decor inspiration. Let's start the video. Fantastic country farmhouse home decor is a warm, elegant decorating style that blends rustic farmhouse comfort, romantic vintage charm, and soft chic elegance. It feels cozy and lived in, yet graceful and timeless, perfect for creating a welcoming country home with character and beauty. Key elements of fantastic country farmhouse decor use soft, neutral color palette. This style uses calm, shooting colors inspired by nature, like cream, ivory, warm white, soft base, crease, and tube. Also uses muted pastels like shades green, dusty blue, and blush. Occasional darker accents like charcoal, antique brown. The stones create a light, airy, and peaceful atmosphere. Use distress and natural materials. Furniture and decor feels gently aged, not new. Use wooded with tables and cabinets. Whitewash or chipped paint furniture, wicker, rattan, and natural linen. Use galvanized metal, iron, and antique brass. Imperfections are part of the charm. Use vintage and antique touches. Use old walled pieces and soul and history. Use antique mirrors with ornate frames. Use vintage clocks, candle holders, and lanterns. Use old books, pictures, enamel art. Use floral china, teacups, and trays. Each piece tells a story. Use romantic and feminine details. The chic side brings softness and elegance. Use lace, crochet, and embroidered textiles. Floral prints and faded patterns. Use curved furniture legs and delicate details. Crystal knobs or glass handles. This balances the rustic farmhouse look beautifully. Use cozy and layered textiles. Comfort is essential in country farmhouse style. Use linen or cotton slip covers, quilts, throws, and soft cushions. Use area rugs with vintage or faded designs. Curtains that gently filter light. Layering adds warmth and depth. Use natural spa decor. Bring the outdoors inside. Use dried flowers, wildflowers, and eucalyptus. Potted plants and herbs, wooden bowls, baskets, and branches, seasonal natural elements. This keeps the space fresh and organic. Overall feel, fantastic country farmhouse decor feels warm and welcoming, soft and romantic, rustic yet defined, nostalgic but timeless. It is perfect for those who love country living, vintage beauty, and a calm, cozy home with character. The soul of fantastic country farmhouse style. This decor style is about gentle elegance mixed with rural simplicity. It avoids anything too modern, shiny, or perfect. Instead, it celebrates time-worn beauty, comfort over formality, objects with history or handmade character. Think of an old countryside home refreshed with soft colors, natural light, and romantic details. Furniture style and arrangement. Furniture should feel solid, traditional, and slightly aged. Common furniture choices: farmhouse dining tables with turned legs, painted hutches and sideboards, slip-covered sofas in linen or cotton, wooden armchairs with cane or rush seats, vintage dressers used as vanities or storage. Tips: furniture doesn't need to match. Coordinated contrast is key. Decorative styling philosophy. This style follows a collective of a time look. Styling entails layer decor in odd numbers, 3 or 5 items, mixed textures, wood plus metal plus fabrics plus glass. Keeps spaces cozy, not cluttered. Display meaningful or nostalgic items. Open shelves often showcase stacked plates, ceramic jugs, old cookbooks, a small floral arrangement. Window and lighting. Lighting is soft and natural, never harsh. Lighting features fabric or plated lampshades, candelabras with candle-style bulbs, vintage lantern pendants, table lamps with ceramic or wooden bases. Windows are distressed lightly with shade linen curtains, lace panels, simple tapex. Patterns and textures. Patterns are subtle and dramatic, never bold. Popular patterns: small florals, gingham checks, soft stripes, faded damask. Textures used: linen, cotton, muslin, crochet and lace, rough wood and smooth ceramics. This creates a soft visual rhythm throughout the home. Kitchen and dining character. The kitchen is the heart of the style. Key kitchen elements: open shelving instead of upper cabinets, use farmhouse sinks, wooden cutting boards on display, hanging copper or enamel utensils, vintage jars for dry goods. Dining tables often feature linen runners, fresh or dried flowers, simple ceramic dishware. Bedroom atmosphere. Bedrooms feel calm, romantic, and restful. Bedroom touches: iron or wooden bed frames, layered white or pastel bedding, coils and lace pillowcases, bedside tables with antique lamps, floral or framed botanical art. Seasonal adaptability. One beautiful aspect of this style is how easily it adapts to season. Spring is fresh florals, light linens. For summer, use airy things, pastel accents. For autumn, warm throws, dried wheat, and pumpkins. For winter, cozy quilts, candles, and soft lighting. Why people love this style? It feels peaceful and nostalgic. It suits both large homes and small spaces. It works beautifully with handmade decor like crochet, embroidery, and woodcraft. It never feels trendy or dated. The emotional feel of this style. Fantastic country farmhouse decor is not just visual, it is emotional. The home should feel calm and unhurried, warm and welcoming, slightly nostalgic, like a cherished old country home. Soft, feminine, and comforting. Nothing feels sharp, cold, or overly modern. Wood tones and finishes. Wood plays a central role and should look aged and natural, never glossy. Preferred wood finishes: light oak, washed pine, driftwood tones, soft walnut, chalk painted wood with light distressing, avoid dark, heavy polish, or high gloss finishes. Advanced color layering. Instead of just one neutral, this style uses layered neutrals. Example color layers: walls use warm white or cream, furniture antique white, pale gray, and soft shades. Accents: faded florals, muted blues, dusty rose. This creates depth without bold contrast. Styling with patina and imperfection. True vintage chic farmhouse decor embraces imperfection. Look for cracked glazed ceramics, tarnished metal, faded fabrics, chipped paint edged. These details add authenticity and charm. Wall decor and artwork. Walls are styled gently, never crowded. Wall styling ideas: authentic frames with botanical prints, soft watercolor florals, vintage sign with faded lettering, open walls baskets, small mirrors to reflect light. Walls should feel crowded, not decorated. Stories that look decorative. Stories doubles as decor in this style. Decorative stories use oven baskets, wooden crates, painted trunks, glass jars, and ceramic canisters. Open shelves with everyday items. Function blends seamlessly with beauty. Layering furniture and decor. This style is rich in layers. A table runner over a tablecloth, cushions over slip-covered sofas, rugs laid on wooden floors. Shows casual chopped. Layering makes spaces feel lived in and cozy. Plants and florals. Very important. Florals should look natural and effortless. Best choices: red lavender, wheat, cotton stem, fresh cotton flowers, herbs in clay pots. Hugs florals only if they look realistic. Avoid bright artificial colors. Mirror and reflective elements. Mirrors are essential for adding light and softness. Use antique style mirrors. Distress white or gold frames, arched or oval shapes. They enhance the airy farmhouse feel. Accessories that complete the look. Small details matter most. Add vintage clocks, candlesticks, porcelain figurines used sparingly, old books tied with twine, linen napkins, and tea towels. Each item should feel meaningful. What makes this style timeless? It avoids trends. It celebrates craftsmanship. It feels personal and soulful. It blends beautifully with handmade items like crochet, embroidery, and quilt. This makes it perfect for long-term decorating. Four design rules. What makes it look right? Soft balance, not contrast. This style avoids sharp contrast. Light furniture with light walls. Muted decor instead of bold accents. Gentle transition between colors. Everything should follow visually. The role of time and storytelling. A true fantastic farmhouse home feels like it evolved slowly. Wish to add a story. Mix inherited items with flea finds. Display old family photos in faded frames. Repurposed furniture. Dressers. Call sideboard. Use handmade or time-worn decor. The home should feel personal, not staged. Furniture shapes and silhouettes. Soft curves are preferred over sharp lines. Look for rounded chair backs, cabriole or turned legs, curved headboards, oval or arched mirrors. The shape soften the rustic farmhouse base. Textiles philosophy very important. Textile define the chic part of the style. Preferred fabrics: linen, cotton, muslin, crochet, and lace. Quilted materials. How they are used. Wrinkled linens are welcome. Mismatched cushions covers are encouraged. Subtle florals mixed with solids. Perfectly pressed fabrics feel too modern. Architectural details that enhance the look, if present, highlight these features: wooden ceiling beams, shiplap or baseboard, wainscoting painted in soft white, panel doors with antique hardware. These details elevate the farmhouse foundation. Candlelight and evening ambience. Evening lighting defines the mood. Use real or flameless candles, hurricane lanterns, clustered candlesticks, soft warm bulbs only. This creates a cozy, old-world glow. Florals, quality over size. Instead of one big arrangement, use several small vases. Scatter florals throughout the room. Mix dried and fresh stems. This feels more authentic and romantic. Everyday objects as decor. Practical items become beautiful. Wooden spoons and ceramic crafts, folded tea towels on hooks, stacked plates on shelves, glass jars with pantry items. Nothing should feel hidden or overstyled. How to avoid? To keep the style authentic, avoid shiny finishes, ultra modern furniture, bright or neon colors, plastic decor, over matching sets. Imperfection is key. Why this style works so well? It is calming and timeless. It feels warm in any season. It suits both small and large homes. Pairs beautifully with handmade decor. This is why it is loved worldwide. The lifestyle behind this style. This decor reflects a slower, simpler country lifestyle. Homes feel unhurried and peaceful. Spaces invite rest, conversation, and comfort. Decor supports everyday living, not show home perfection. The goal is ease of warmth and emotional comfort. Why this style feels so enduring? It adapts to any home size. It never feels trendy. It values comfort and memory. It supports handmade and vintage items. It is not just decor, it is a way of living. This decor style is about gentle elegance mixed with rural simplicity. It avoids anything too modern, shiny, or perfect. Think of an old countryside home, refreshed with soft colors, natural light, and romantic details. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe my channel and support me. Thank you.